Unreleased 35-watt dual-port USB-C charger leaked in Apple dock. Apple may be planning to introduce a 2-port 35-watt USB-C charger in the near future based on a leaked support document that was found by 9to5Mac. Of course, we find the article here on Mac Rumors. The support document was apparently only on Apple's site for a brief time, but there was a clear mention of the unreleased charger. Imagine your job, Will, was just being on Apple's site, being on their support document site, waiting for something to pop up for them to screw up and release an unreleased product that's actually just a charge brick.
We need a bot for that.
I think there's one named Optimus.
Yeah. It's tough.
No,
it's a tough gig.
It's funny, this Optimus thing, now that you just said that joke again, because it's like we have a relationship with bots for a while now, but they're never humanoid bots. It's always like internet bots, Twitter bots, search engine bots. Like bots are this kind of abstract. The idea of seeing it manifested in reality,
like physical,
it's very exciting. Anyway.
And it doesn't look like a robot.
I'll be pre-ordering.
Okay.
So this is the 35-watt power adapter. It's a dual USB-C adapter. They got to do stuff like this. I talk about Anchor all the time. Anchor is very supportive of all of our projects, shows, etc. First of all, you're probably still going to get a better deal from Anchor compared to what they're going to do. And you got to buy it extra anyways because nothing is coming included with anything else. Mm-hmm. It's always an extra charge, an extra accessory. But you got to do it because these devices are charging faster now. A lot of people are holding on to old chargers and they're charging more devices. So having 2 ports is a huge advantage. Mm-hmm. The Nano Pro that I just showed off in the iPhone SE video has 2 ports already. They're out there. Here's a quote that came from this support document. Use the Apple 35-watt dual USB-C port power adapter and a USB-C cable, not included, to charge your device. Connect a USB-C cable to either port on the power adapter. Extend the electrical prongs so it has those flip-down style prongs. Yeah, I don't know. 35-watt, I'm pretty sure you can be able to find something more powerful in a smaller package, but some people want to have the official Apple stuff. Okay, cool. More options for you.
Yeah.